Today I am very happy to speak about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Every year the speak year we are celebrating the 80th Independence Day. We thank our brave freedom fighters of giving us unity, peace, and national flag. Teacher, unity, peace, and courage. We love our country and respect everyone. Help our friends. Let us be good citizens and make India's proud. Happy Independence Day.